Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to turn on sound for Discord screen share using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Discord and then you want to click on user settings. Then you want to click on voice and video. And by the way, there are two ways to fix this problem. Okay, so this is the first way. Now you want to scroll down and then you want to make sure that the use on experimental method to capture audio from applications is turned on. Okay? So as you can see on my device, it is now turned on. And just go ahead and try again to screen share using Discord. Okay, but if the if this method doesn't work for you, you can now try to use the second method. Okay, so now again click on the user settings at the lower left part of your screen. You want to scroll down and you want to click on activity privacy. So wait, activity status. So I'm sorry about that. You need to click here at the registered game, but if you don't have the registered game option, you should see the activity status right here, and you should see this option. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on the add it button, then select the application that you want to use while screen sharing. So I'm just gonna choose Google Chrome, click on add game. And now you can just go ahead and try again to share your screen with your friends, and that should help you with your problem. Okay, so I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.